Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will explain how to celebrate Pancasila Sanctity Day. Pancasila Sanctity Day is a celebration in October to commemorate the importance of Pancasila as the basis of the Indonesian nation state. The commemoration of October 1st is inseparable from the historic event of the September 30 movement of the Indonesian Communist Party. Pancasila has the meaning as a basic guideline to regulate the administration of the state, which includes the fields of ideology, politics, economy, socioculture. There are several meanings in each of the principles of Pancasila. To commemorate the Pancasila Sanctity Day, the government instructs to install a single pole flag in commemoration of the Pancasila Sanctity Day. Pancasila as the nation ideology must be implemented in everyday life. Pancasila must be properly guarded. October 1st every year is commemorated as Pancasila Sanctity Day, a moment that is commemorated to the service of the heroes and defend the nation ideology. In the school environment, the commemoration of the Pancasila Sanctity Day has begun to be marginalized and rarely carried out, whereas instilling the value of struggle that have been initiated by the heroes, we actually make it a guide in attitude and behavior for the life of students. Seeing the reality that is happening in our society, it is appropriate for us to do a reflection on the practice of the value contained in Pancasila, which have begun to fade lately. We must strengthen again as an effort to achieve the goal that we have dreamed of in realizing the welfare and prosperity of the people. We really regret that lately it is seemed that Pancasila is not being practiced in the life of the nation and state. If we hold fast to Pancasila, then there will be no deviation that will occur, such as ingrained corruption, violence, vigilantism, brawls between students that have become a habit, to poverty that is already familiar. Pancasila is the basis of the state, has been established since Indonesian independence. Therefore, Pancasila used as a philosophy or way of life for the entire Indonesian nation. With Pancasila, Indonesian can carry out the life of the nation and state in an orderly, safe, and peaceful manner. If we pay attention to the symbol of Pancasila and the point contained in Pancasila, that is a reflection of the personality of the Indonesian nation, so that Indonesia can be distinguished from other nations because of the characteristics possessed by the Indonesian nation. The spirit of fighting for the ideology of the Indonesian nation is also a must for millennials and Generation Z today. Do not because of the rapid flow of information, young people forget their identity, which has the spirit of Pancasila. But for those who are confused about how, here's a modern way to increase the magic of Pancasila that millennials can do. First, don't blame and bullying on social media. There are many ways that can be done to apply the value of Pancasila every day. There is no need to be like the heroes who can do sacrifice their blood. But the Pancasila of but the application of Pancasila values can be start with simple things. In the value of divinity, for example, it is as easy as appreciating the different in religion held by friends. Another easy example is not to blame or say negative words that corner someone on social media, which is the application of human value. Second, promote creativity and domestic culture. Advancing the nation is tantamount to continue the struggle of the heroes who want to realize the ideals of the Indonesian state. To make it happen, creativity is one way. Creativity can bring and introduce Indonesian culture to the world. For example, the song Lati from Virgin News with Sarah Fajira, which include elements of the Javanese language, is enjoyed by music listener even abroad. And the last is spread the magic spirit of Pancasila on social media. Today, almost every millennial use social media to do various things, from meeting new people, sharing life moments, to doing business online. However, social media can also be used for noble purpose, one of which is to inflame and pass on the spirit of the supernatural power of Pancasila to others. For example, creating content for the noble value of the Indonesian people, such as humble artists to sharing national quotes. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.